Happy birthday to you, know why? I try. Let's watch the video.
We are twisters coming to you with another video.
Bienvenue Zanmi dans notre channel là. Bienvenue, Jodia c'est célébration fête petite moyen. On nous qui já ça t'est passé. OK, pas oublier subscribe, commenter, partager avec Zanmi. Enjoy the video. Uh-oh. That's a chop. I hope I love your cake, Noah. Hi, Cecilia. Cecilia, say hi back, Mama. Jean Baptiste. Thank you for being here.
Here, no. Try this one. You want to open this one?
Let me have your chop, baby.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You don't want to let it go. Just open it for him. You're going to let the first one go.
Ready?
Uh-oh, Dad said you got to make me hungry.
Uh-oh.
We saved you some, Dad.
You want to open this one? No. Look.
Look at that, Noah.
That's from Grandma.
What is that? Yeah, is it chalk? Let me hold this for you. You can hold the other one. Oh, let me have this. Can I have it? Go to the next one.
Oh.
No, he's still looking for this one. Uh-oh. Maybe he like the red one. The color's interesting. Uh-oh.
Come here, no.
The color's interesting. You're gonna be the one open for them.
Yeah.
You know how to open?
He knows how to open, but
No.
it's gonna take forever to do so.
Here. Look.
No, more give.
Open it for him there.
Open this one.
Open this one, baby.
Open that one.
Open that one, Leno.
Thank you.
Babe, you're gonna open. Because you see, he like the chalk because he loves chalk. I don't know why he's obsessed with chalk.
What?
But he loves chalk. Look at that, Leno. Hey, he see the chalk.
Right here. Right there.
Right now.
You want to say hi to your sister?
Oh, he even this bonsoir.
Oh, si mde tombe sou ba e manje moun sa yo. E ap se tuyen.
Look at that. You don't know what to touch. Okay, push those.
You ready for the big one?
Push those there. First thing you
No,
do,
wait, let me. Okay, guys, forget about the kid. Look at these cars that his sister sent him. See this? Wow! I'm gonna steal them. I'm gonna steal this one. This one. Or this one.
How much is that?
He's a baller.
$90. You have money. That'll go straight on your account.
College tuition paid off, baby.
No, now you got money. You can take Tata shopping.
Or you can take me for coffee on Monday. No, go straight to your account. So I'm gonna go and enjoy with my son.
What? I have a cool gift for him, but since his parents got him a giant car,
It's a babe.
he's like, nope. No, thank you. Huh?
Cheers. Bye. You ready for the other one?
No, I come and get the bite. You want the bite?
He's scared. He's scared of the
Come
bite.
here. He's happy. He's won.
It's your truck.
Woo.
It's
No,
all
it's
yours,
truck.
buddy.
Woo. That's what mommy gets you.
Oh, you have cup holders, buddy? Whoa!
Oh yeah. Look
Driving
at
with
that
one
car.
hand.
Let me give you choke. Put choke. Put choke on my. Put choke here. Huh? He loves car. Give me machine for himself. And I machine when me la country. La putain go to put pese. What? Smart. Allez.
Put your foot right here.
Put your foot right there, nigga.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah, he knows. You see?
Oh, he's in there
Very
first.
backward fair.
There you go.
Reverse. Don't put it in reverse, baby.
There you go.
Uh-oh. He knows what to do. Hey, friend, we may take another one. Oh, he knows. Oh my God. My son is too smart for me.
Come on, buddy.
Pour nous même qui mettez la fin vidéo, merci en pile, merci parce que nous t'es branché, nous a te remis fête li, je dis en fait le 2 ans comme dit nous. So, thank you for watching. Pas oublier pour partager, pour abonner, pour subscribe, pour voyer moun gade channel là, OK? Et ça nous pas oublier, follow nous dans toutes social media, OK? Dans toutes plateformes yo. Follow nous.